Do you want to know how you can log into your CSU student portal? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your CSU login portal. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for CSU student portal. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Sturt University. After you click on the link, you can see that you have now headed to the official login portal of CSU, also known as Sturt University. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and click login. Now, this way you can log into your CSU account successfully. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click activate my account. If you have forgotten or expired or locked your password, go ahead and click on this link which will help you recover your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your CSU student portal or your Sturt University student portal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.